Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a drawing video with you, and my intention is to make kind of a three-part series of how to draw. So in these three different episodes, I'm going to show you three different drawing techniques or strategies. And I just want to mention that this is typically something I do with my older kids, so if you're going to do it with younger kids, I'm going to add on to these videos a way to kind of modify it down for younger kids. So what you're going to need is some paper to write on, a pencil, and also for this you need something to look at to draw from. So good things to look at are magazines with animals in them, or if you've got books or coloring books lying around your house, or you can print pictures of animals off the internet. I do usually tell my kids that fuzzy or fluffy animals are really difficult to start out drawing with, so I recommend things that are a little less fuzzy, like fish and birds. Horses are fine, reptiles and amphibians and things like that. So get your stuff together, here we go. Be sure to set yourself up correctly. If you're right-handed, make sure that your paper is on the right side. If you're left-handed, make sure it's on the left side. With this measuring technique, I'm going to use my fingers as a measuring tool. So I'm measuring from the top of the paper to the top of the bird's head, and I'm going to put a little mark. That's my measurement mark. Now I need to find another place to measure. I'm going to go from the top of the head to the top of the wing and make a little mark. Now I'm going to go from the top of the wing to the bottom of the wing, or maybe even the bottom of the body. And I'm going to go around this entire picture kind of plotting out points. Top of the head to the eye, make a measurement mark, and then fill it in. Now you can skip around your animal finding different places to measure. You could literally measure everything, or just the places that you think are important. So I'm going to go with the width of the head, and now I've got enough points that I can actually connect them and start making it look like this bird. Eye to beak, the width of the beak, now the width of the head. Now let's go from neck to tail. Let's measure these legs. And we can even measure the width of this branch. So hopefully you're noticing that this strategy really just helps you to get the proportions right. It helps you get the sizes of things right, and then you can go back in and add in details anywhere you want. You can measure a lot of areas, or you can just measure a few areas just to get yourself started.
Now, to modify this for our younger audiences, I would use a very simple coloring page, or maybe just print off a very simple drawing off the internet. And if doing these measuring techniques are a little difficult for them as a parent, you could plot out some of these points for them and then have them fill in the rest.